Right. My aim is to make you clear this exam in the shortest time span possible. So I'm just telling you the tricks. All right. Merci beaucoup. See, grammatically it is correct, but it is giving a sense of A1 level. All right. In order to make this thing A2 or B1 level, this is how you should use it. Suppose if you are getting CLB 2 or 3, it will give you a hype of CLB 4. It will make you reach CLB 4 or 5 in the shortest time span possible. I'm like, you just have to learn the conjugation. That's it. Namaste, guys. So today I'm doing correction concerning TCF, TF exams. And in this video, I'm going to tell you what are the mistakes some of the very beginner students do. All right. So let's start. So see, it hardly, first thing I want to tell you is that it hardly matters if you know the topic or not. Then in this video, I'm going to tell you only and only the mistakes. I mean, like grammatical mistakes, etc., etc. So do not worry about the topic. I'm just uh, telling you how you can avoid these minor mistakes if you are learning French language for TEF or TGF exam. So let's start. So first of all, it's a formal letter. It's a formal letter. All right. Letter. So now, salute. I would say not bad, but it should be like share, Christophe, etc. That would have been a better option. But this is also good. All right. Merci beaucoup pour ton invitation. Pour ton invitation. It is right. Now, invitation. Why? See, the word invitation is feminine. If you have seen my video concerning genders, I'll leave the link in the description section. It is feminine, but this person has used ton. Why? Because it is starting with I. All right. Why? Because vowel in front of vowel cancels the first vowel. Hence, instead of ma invitation, it is mon invitation. It is correct. All right. Bonne fête nationale. We'll come to this thing later, but let me first of all, let me just tell you what is the very it is not a mistake, but I mean, like, if your aim is to get more marks, how you can get more marks. So merci beaucoup pour ton invitation. First of all, what you have to do is, in such a scenario, what you have to do, je te remercie pour blah 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 blah. All right, I'm thanking you for, instead of like thank you for thanks a lot for XYZ thing. It is a better way of communication. All right. See, in 10 months, my aim is not to teach you French language in such a manner that you can go and talk to beautiful girls in Canada. Right. My aim is to make you clear this exam in the shortest time span possible. So I'm just telling you the tricks. All right. Merci beaucoup. See, grammatically it is correct, but it is giving a sense of A1 level. All right. In order to make this thing A2 or B1 level, this is how you should use it. Je te remercie pour blah blah blah. All right. Or a better way of starting a letter is je vais bien ici et je souhaite que tu ailles bien aussi. All right. Use subjunctive, etc. Use subjunctive. Why? Because if you observe, subjunctive is a topic of your B1 level. All right. So if you are in A1, A2 level, and if you are using something related to B1 level, it will give an indication to your teacher that you have knowledge concerning B1 level. So suppose if you are getting CLB 2 or 3, it will give you a hype of CLB 4. It will make you reach CLB 4 or 5 in the shortest time span possible. I'm like, you just have to learn the conjugation. That's it. All right. Now, je veux venir à Tour Eiffel. I want to come to the Eiffel Tower. See, always remember, A plus L becomes O. First thing. Now, in this scenario, this person want to write, I want to come to the Tour Eiffel or Eiffel Tower. So in this case, what I would suggest you personally is, let me just rub this thing. Just a second. Just a second. That's it. Yeah. So let's start. Je, where were we? Je voudrais visiter. Je voudrais visiter. Now, why the first of all, why I'm using that verb visiter here? Visiter I'm using, I would like to visit. It's like, see, there's a difference of language. All right. I want to come to Canada. That's totally fine. But see, if you, there is a difference between to come and to visit. All right. I hope you can understand. I mean, je voudrais. Voudrais is conditional. Again, a topic related to B1. So if you are using subjunctive and conditional, it will make your level look like you have B1. B1 mid. B1 mid. It will make you look, it will make you sound so good. All right. So learn these kind of things. That's how you have to write. All right. It is right. Je veux venir à Paris, not a Tour Eiffel. It's like, this is Tour Eiffel and you want to come there. No, this is wrong. All right. C'est possible. All right. See, there are certain things which you, let me just rub this thing. See, there are certain things which you know, use in your verbal format and not in your written format. So what you can write is, c'est possible. Either use est-ce que c'est possible or est ce possible. See, this is how you have to use it. Is it possible? All right, not like it's possible. No, it's wrong. See, here I'm saying it's wrong because you are preparing for TEF exam or TCF exam and you want to score marks. All right, so keep such kind of things in your mind. Now, this guy has changed the paragraph bluntly. Don't do this mistake. Use a connector like en fait. All right, en fait. En fait is your B1, B2 level connector. Somewhere in the transition, you will see this connector en fait. So use this and CLB, and if you observe, B2 is equivalent to your CLB 7. All right, CLB 7 or 8 sometimes. It depends on your overall presentation, but I'm just telling you from the written point of view. En fait belongs to this level. All right, now, en fait, nous pouvons venir à Notre-Dame. Nous pouvons venir, again, same issue, visiter, to visit. All right. Now, in such a scenario, what you guys can do is, see, right now, this person, sir, if you are watching this video, what I want you to do is try to search for synonyms. Try to search synonyms for visiter. All right. Because these kind of things, these kind of exercises will help you in your oral part too. All right. In your oral part also, this thing will going to help you immensely. Notre Dame, c'est un église. No, please watch my gender related video in which I have mentioned with, how you can distinguish between a feminine word and a noun and a masculine noun. So it is une église. All right. À Paris, qui est très connu, again, une église. Since there is an église, there should be an extra E. Okay, see, mistakes like these, because of mistakes like these, I'm sorry, because of mistakes like these, people lose marks. All right. Suppose if you are doing this mistake in your written part, and let's say you have completed your B2 level from Alliance Française, and you are doing this mistake, rest assured, teacher will think that your level is B1 because you will not be there in person. Your answer sheet will speak, not you. आप नहीं बोलेंगे वहां पे, आपकी answer sheet बोलेगी. All right. Don't do this mistake. Je vais venir à cette église pendant. No, it should be je voulais. I wanted to. Je voulais. I wanted to come to this église and all. Again, the same mistake. All right. J'arriverai à Paris à 10 septembre. Mon avion arrivera à. All right. I'm saying it is not bad. I'm saying it is not bad. But the level of this sentence could have been improved. All right. So this person is in came to me for A2 level, but his speaking is no, his format concerning writing is a bit not up to the mark. So he's improving. Otherwise, and it is better. It is far, far, far better than what he wrote like 2 days back. It was horrible. I'm sorry, sir, but it is far better than that. All right. So that's it. So let me just mark what all you have to do is subjunctive. If you are in A2 level, do all these things. All right. Subjunctive, complete this in your A2 level itself. All right. And where is conditional? I wrote it somewhere because of je voudrais. I wrote a sentence concerning this one. Complete conditional. All right. Complete conditional, complete subjunctive, conditional. Uh, Work on prepositions. Work on prepositions in your on your A2 level. Prepositions. All right. Il doit une graine. This is wrong. This is wrong. I mean, like, there is an issue. All right. So one, one, two, three. You need to work only on these things in your A2 level. All right, because other things we have covered in our A1 level itself. So that's it, guys. Thank you all. God bless you.